Happy 4th of July, everyone. And after work. It's 4th of July. And I'm going to fireworks tonight, which is going to be fun. And I'm not sure I work until 7:30, so that's nice, but I forgot to take my pill this morning, so I have to actually buy a whole nother bottle anyway. So I'll just get one out of there and then use that and then call it good. So I have 2 days left, and I can't forget because I don't know what's gonna happen, because I really want to do this whole 14-day thing, so I'm gonna commit to it. So I'm trying to get to work early so I can buy one so I can take it before work, which I think I'll have time to buy one anyway, but I hate being pressed for time because I don't know. But I'm gonna try and get to work anyway, so we'll see. Well, at a safe speed anyway. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys after work. Happy 4th of July again. My sisters are taking forever to figure out a purse, but I got some TNT for later. But they're taking forever to pick a purse, and it's annoying. Sunset.
I think it's done and it's the see? Welcome. He's done, he should wet down that whole area just to make sure that it's not going to flare up or anything.
Well, I had a lot of fun. My thumb hurts from using a lighter, because I don't really use lighters all that much. And yeah, I'm really tired. I have to get up in the morning and be at work by 10. A 10 to 4 shift today. So that's nice, but people are still doing fireworks, so I'm gonna try and sleep anyway, but I'm going to bed, so hope you guys have a great day. I will see you guys tomorrow, and hope you guys had a great 4th of July, and hope you enjoyed the fireworks, and bye guys.